to my channel and happy Halloween! So we're about a week out, but we're carving some pumpkins, which is why we're not in costume. Sorry. I was thinking of wearing my BTS shirt because I'm carving a BTS pumpkin today, but I'm gonna use the back as a model for my design. So I'm just gonna like put the shirt here. Alright, so I've decided to do a couple. We'll see how they go. So the first one's gonna be Tata. I've drawn here. And then Koya! Because I think they're gonna be the easiest ones. And maybe I'll try to draw another one here. Maybe let's try Chim Chim. My hand is definitely gonna cramp. I'm like sweating. Nope, you're sweating. It is not it, man. It's coming out. It's only outside. Are we even still filming? We are. 1 hour later. I should take this off because it's about to get real dirty. God, this is like not supposed to be the hard part, and okay! There we go. Your does look pretty thick. Oh, it is super thick. Got a lot of guts. Okay. I've cleaned out my pumpkin for the most part. Leanne's working on hers. Just use your hands, man. Oh! Hi. So I think I'm gonna try to sculpt it instead of carve it. This is supposed to be a 4-in-1 tool that was like $2 at Jewel Osco, our local grocery store. So I don't really know if this is gonna be any good, but we're just gonna go for it. Oh! So that's where I messed up. But hopefully my pumpkin is thick enough that you won't see that, and I just need to make this thicker. Okay, so I put a candle in there. We're gonna turn off the lights and see if you can see it. You're gonna need to carve deeper. Oh, right. Nothing? No. Oh, there's nothing! Okay, so try a different method. Just trying to knife it through now. Not all the way through. Because if it goes all the way through, then my heart's just gonna fall out. Take 2. But now there's a phone light in there. Oh yeah. Really? On this side? Oh my god. Oh, there's a tiny light. You can see the heart. Okay, we'll try harder. Looks like Lillian's making some good progress. Oh my god, this is like a big chunk. Jeez. Okay, so I'm calling it on Tata, and I'm gonna work on Koya next. Okay, so now we've got Tata and Koya, and we're gonna drop my phone in it to see if it will light up. Wait, he's actually really good. Oh, wow! He shows up more than Tata. Yeah, maybe I need to do more. Okay, so now we got Tata, Koya, and on to Chimmy. This is the true arm workout for those of you who want to get swole. But only on one side of your body. Alright, so this is my final product. We got 3 out of the 6. Sorry I couldn't do all of them because my arm was feeling really tired. Maybe I'll complete it later. And here's Lillian's. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks so much for tuning in today. Of course, this is just a special Halloween vlog. We had a lot of fun carving our pumpkins. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Try out this pumpkin carving yourself, maybe, if you have a lot of time on your hands. And I'll see you guys next time.